Hi, this is Colin with Clean Air Comfort Systems, and today we are installing a new air conditioning unit. Here are the three main reasons why most people have air conditioning installed in their home, even here in Whatcom County. Number one, they want air conditioning during those 2 or 3 days, maybe a few weeks, and lately a few months of really hot weather. Number two would be so they can sleep well at night with the doors and windows closed. Third reason would be to keep their house air clean. By having the doors and windows closed, people can keep the smoke, dust, and any kind of contaminants out so they can breathe clean, cool air at night. To start the process, give us a call to schedule a free assessment of your home. During this time, we take 30 to 60 minutes to walk through your home, inspect your attic, your crawl space, and find out some of the challenges you're experiencing right now. At the end of this assessment, we can provide you with the best solution to address your air conditioning needs and give you several choices so you can pick the best air conditioner for your home. The second step of getting an air conditioner would be to evaluate your existing system. So we will come out and check your existing furnace and find out how it fits and matches with the new air conditioner. And our job is to make sure that when we install this new air conditioner, it will solve problems and improve the comfort of your home and not create any problems. So we have to check airflows and we have to check your ductwork. Also, we have to check the filter type and size that you have, because the new air conditioner will have different airflow requirements than your existing furnace. So by doing all these different checks, we are going to make sure that when we install your new air conditioner, it will work efficiently, it will keep you comfortable, it will save you money on your utility bills, and it will last as long as possible. After we know your goals with this new air conditioner and we understand your home and your existing system that we are going to connect to, we will present you with several choices at different budget levels, different efficiency levels, different noise levels, and you can pick the criteria of your new air conditioner from multiple scales. So in the third step, after we have evaluated your system and know your goals with the new air conditioner, and after you have selected the right system for your home, we are going to go into the design phase. In the design phase, we are going to do heat loss, heat load calculations to make sure that the new system will match the needs of your house. We are not going to use square footage in order to guess at the size. We are going to do the actual engineering that it takes according to ASHRAE standards to make sure that this new AC will fit your needs. So here are some of the things that go into the physical adding on of your new air conditioner. So we have to add an indoor coil, and a lot of people ask, how many components is this new air conditioning going to be? So it has two major components. An indoor component, which is this coil right here, usually sits below your furnace, and there's going to be the outdoor component, which what most people call the air conditioner. So that's the outdoor half, this is the indoor half. Some of the other things we're going to have to do is drain it over into a condensate drain, such as that, or pump it outside with a condensate pump, which is going to be necessary in this case because the coil is lower than the trap. And then we are going to have to use copper line sets to connect the indoor unit to the outdoor unit. And in this case, it's going to be passing through the crawl space and going all the way to the outdoor unit. The line set can be ran exposed on the wall. It can be ran through an attic or a crawl space, depending on the characteristics of your home. A good thing to consider when you're getting a new air conditioner is to add a better filtration system. In this case, the homeowner chose to get a media filter system installed in their furnace, and they will be removing the small filter in the return grill because this will give them better air filtration, better air quality. It will catch smaller dust particles in their home, and it will improve the overall efficiency of their system. Another thing that we have to look at is your thermostat. Some thermostats are designed for heating only, so you can run your furnace alone. but some of them can do furnaces, air conditioners, heat pumps, or a combination of these. So we need to make sure that your thermostat can handle this, or you may have to get a new thermostat. If you dislike your thermostat right now, you can choose to get the ideal thermostat anyway when you get your air conditioner. That could be Wi-Fi, could have geofencing, could be programmable, or it could just be a basic up and down manual thermostat that can handle a furnace and an air conditioner. When people buy air conditioners, they ask us, what's a good place to put the air conditioner? The outside, obviously, in most cases next to your home. And in this case here, we have a concrete pad already prepared for the air conditioner. So something like this would be great. If all you have is bark or soil in your flower bed or a rock bed, that's totally fine. We are going to bring some gravel, we're going to lay that down and bring an ultralight concrete pad, set it down, and then set the air conditioner on top of that. So no matter what you have going on outside, we can help you with that. If you live in a floodplain or you just don't have any space on the ground, we can mount the air conditioner on the wall of your house, and we have some very nice and sturdy support brackets that we can use. So in any situation, we can find an ideal location for the air conditioner in your home. So we are in the crawl space here, and some of the things that we do when we check out your house is we make sure that everything in your home is as efficient as possible. So some of the things that we look for are things like your foundation. Sometimes there is water that seeps through the foundation, as you can see there. There's none here, but those are the areas that can happen. We also look at your insulation levels, and this is a very good example of very clean insulation. Everything is in good condition. Occasionally we see that rodents or other factors are causing some of the insulation to be deteriorated. We also look at the wood, and we look at the post and beam, which you can see farther down over there. We just want to make sure that there is no microbial growth or any kind of condensation or moisture. And then we also look at the vapor barrier to make sure that this is in good condition and there is no standing water anywhere in your crawl space. Okay, another thing we inspect is your ductwork, and we need to make sure that it's intact, there are no holes or cracks. The metal part of the ductwork has to be insulated, so these are examples that could use some insulation, and also that all the joints are airtight and sealed. So here is the post and beam, and a very common thing that we see is that the posts rot at the bottom, so we inspect for moisture here. We also make sure that the beams and all the wood the integrity is good and they are healthy and dry. So if we see any of these things that need your attention, we'll bring it up. So also here you can see that there is water piping that's insulated, so we inspect for that so you don't have water pipes freezing. And any kind of systems that we see, electrical or anything like that, that's visually accessible to us when we do an inspection in your crawl space or attic, we always make sure that if there are any concerns, we bring them up to your attention so that you have the knowledge, and then if it's something we can help you with, we will help you. If it's something you can fix yourself, you can obviously do that, or you can hire the appropriate trades to take care of those needs. So in this case, our air conditioning outdoor unit has been installed, and so has the indoor coil, and we have ran the line sets here. This is the liquid line that you see here. We still have to roll it out all the way to the outdoor unit, and this right here is the suction line, and you can see the big roll behind me. We still have to roll that all the way out through the foundation and out. And usually what we do is we strap these up to the joists so they're out of the way. We are still in the process of installing these, that's why they're still laying on the ground. Some people ask us, when is the best time to have their air conditioner installed? And that answer varies case by case. In certain situations, we have great promotions that come randomly, sometimes early in the spring, sometimes throughout the year, and sometimes air conditioner promotions come together with a furnace promotion or a heat pump promotion in the wintertime or in the opposite season. So the best thing to do is give us a call and find out what's available right now in terms of promotions and rebates, and what the price would be to install a new air conditioner. Whatever the timing is for your air conditioner installation, we will work with you to give you the best deal possible. To learn more, give us a call at 360-398-9400. or visit our website cleanaircomfortsystems.com.